Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to set up a way to access your chat history in Messenger in 2014. So, let's dive into it. First, make sure that the Messenger app is installed on your mobile device. If not, you can download and install it through the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Messenger app on your device and tap on the three horizontal lines icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, in the pop-up screen, tap on the Settings icon. Next, scroll down to the end of the page. Tap on the Account Center section. In the Account Center, tap on your Information and Permissions section. Next, tap on the Download Your Information section. Tap on the Download or Transfer Information button. Next, choose your Facebook account and tap Next. On the next page, choose the specific type of information section. Next, check the box next to the Messages option and tap Next. Tap on the Date Range section and adjust the range you want. Choose the format you like, select the media quality you like, and tap the Create Files button. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.